Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send reminders in DocuSign. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to ensure that documents get signed on time without having to manually follow up with recipients. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will take you to your DocuSign dashboard where you can manage all your documents and agreements. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top toolbar and click on Agreements. This section houses all the documents you've sent, received, or are waiting for action. It's your central hub for managing everything related to your DocuSign activity. Now look over to the left sidebar and click on Sent. This will filter your view to show only the agreements you've sent out to others. It makes it much easier to locate the specific document you want to set reminders for. From the list that appears, click on the DocuSign document you want to send reminders about. This will open up the details and options for that particular agreement. Next, navigate to Sign and right beside it, click the 3 dotted lines, then select Correct. This opens up the editing interface where you can modify various settings for your document, including reminder preferences. In the upper right toolbar, click the gear icon, which represents advanced options. This is where you'll find more detailed settings that go beyond the basic document management features. Now navigate to the Reminder section and toggle it on. Enabling this feature is what allows DocuSign to automatically send reminder notifications to your recipients, keeping your document at the top of their inbox. After turning on reminders, navigate to Days Before First Reminder and click the drop-down menu below it to select your preferred timing. This determines how soon after sending the document your recipients will receive their first reminder. If you want to enable repeat reminders, click the drop-down menu below it and select your desired frequency. This ensures that if the first reminder doesn't prompt action, follow-up reminders will continue to be sent automatically. Next, navigate to Expiration, then click the drop-down menu below Days Until Envelope Expires and select your preferred option. This sets a deadline for when the document will no longer be available for signing, which can create a sense of urgency. You can also enable Send Alert by clicking the drop-down menu below it. This adds an extra layer of notification to keep everyone informed about the document's status. Finally, click Save in the bottom right to apply all your reminder settings. Your document will now automatically send reminders based on the preferences you've configured. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.